Hello guys, welcome to Anonymous Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Checkra1n 0.12.1, which is officially released by the Checkra1n. Just we have to open Safari and go to google.com, and then just we have to type Checkra1n, enter, and then we open its official website and click on get the beta now. And here you can see the Checkra1n 0.12.1 beta is officially released, and it will support iOS 13 and 14. Here you can see, just we have to download. I am downloading for Mac because I have a Mac which I am using on my Lenovo laptop. You can also download for the Linux, just clicking on see all downloads. I click on download for Mac OS. As my downloading completes, I will show you how to install it on your Mac. Sorry for the slow internet connection. Here is always Checkra1n 0.12.1 is downloaded, but I'll show you as download completes. Just you have to double click on the setup on the DMG file. Its download is complete. Then I double click on DMG file, and as you can see the setup starts. I minimize it, then drag Checkra1n to applications, and the Checkra1n installed successfully. Just click on launchpad, and here you can see the Checkra1n installed. Then we close this and then eject it, and we will run the Checkra1n. Here you face an error, Checkra1n cannot be opened because it's from unidentified developer. Then we have to go to settings and just click on security and privacy. And then you have to click open anyway, and open, click on open, and here you can see the Checkra1n is working. Then I will connect my iPhone. I am using iPhone 6s. Now guys, we jailbreak it using Checkra1n 0.12.1. as I connect iPhone 6s iOS version 14.2 in normal mode. Then I click on start, then next, and my iPhone directly goes into DFU mode. Then I click on start. Here you can see the jailbreak starts, and my iPhone is successfully jailbreaked. If you face any problem, just comment. I will give you feedback. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Here you can see my iPhone is jailbreak successfully. Thank you for watching my video.